ranking the explosions of subspace trip mines. Regular subspace trip mine. Not that bad. The Omega subspace trip mine. Sounds regular. Well, we can't play this anymore. Well, let's try again. No, I'm not quite sure what this is. Oh, it's not that bad. Well, what's that noise? Omega radioactive, sorry. Subspace trip mine. Oh no, I feel like I made the wrong decision. Can't play this anymore. Let's try this again. Okay. This looks pretty big. Let me place it down. Oh no! It makes that beeping noise. Oh no. Okay, this isn't that bad. Okay. Omega subspace trip mine final stage? I wonder what this will do. That's super low. Oh, no. Just waiting on here. This sure is the ultimate playground. Well, I don't know what this is. Oh, that didn't even do anything. Well, thanks for watching, I guess.